A Florida Fish and Wildlife officer was patrolling the Lighthouse Park Boat Ramp in St. Augustine, Florida, when she contacted vessel occupants at the ramp to conduct a resource inspection.
How y'all doing today?
Good, how's it going?
Good. How you guys doing? Y'all go offshore? Cold? Yeah. You know, I was surprised when I came through this morning. I'm like, so many boats out. It's freaking cold.
To be nice.
It was supposed to. It's always, you always add an extra few seconds and add an extra few miles an hour for the wind.
Yeah. But it's supposed to be light winds. We
Yeah.
got out of the truck this morning. We were like, oh, boy.
Nah. How far out did y'all go?
Oh, we made it about 35 miles.
35?
Yeah.
You do trolling, or I can't see, we're bottom fishing?
We were bottom fishing.
Bottom
we
fishing.
brought some trolling rods,
Yeah.
but we didn't get out there where the wahoo were at.
No.
No.
Mm-mm. Y'all got any reef fish or bottom fish?
We got mangrove
Cool.
and
And
red
muttons?
grouper.
Okay.
And then everything else the sharks ate.
Everything else sharks ate?
Everything.
Everything.
And we
Mutton
caught,
heads like this.
Yeah, I've seen even the mangoes like that. I was last weekend or the weekend before. I can't remember. They all blend together. There was one like good offshore day, and a lot of good mangoes and muttons came out from the inlet.
yeah.
That's
He had
good
a
to
nice
see.
one like this.
Yeah.
Shark ate come out under the boat out from nowhere.
Yep, that's it.
Saw the
Yeah,
head, and then he came back for the head and almost
it
jumped
makes
in the
you
boat.
think twice about putting your hand in the water.
Yeah.
Every fish that we caught today, I mean, we were catching good, but
Yeah.
Yeah.
shark,
We just stopped. It
Yeah,
was
it's
just,
like-
Did y'all keep anything or?
yeah, we
Yeah.
got,
You got some? I'll just check whatever y'all got. Still in the boat, or y'all float already? Okay. Appreciate it.
yeah, it's a shame because we should have had a lot more.
A lot more.
I remember you boarded our boat
Yeah.
one time, there it was freezing.
Couple
Yeah.
years ago, yeah. Right before COVID.
Right before COVID.
And it
Did the
was,
safety check and all that up there.
I remember it was like so cold we couldn't fish.
Yeah, I don't like the cold, man. I'll go
I haven't
offshore,
seen you out
but
on your boat lately.
you guys
Elaine?
kept the red grouper.
Huh?
You guys kept the red grouper? Grouper's closed as of
Gag grouper's closed.
every grouper's closed is on January 1st. I mean, double check, but that's the way it's always been. They did a gag grouper closed early this year because
Well, I thought gag grouper was closed.
let me double check. I eat my own words.
Oh boy.
Yeah, every January 1st every year, January to beginning of May, all groupers closed. They did an early. They always do. Well, they don't, but this year they did an early closure on the gag because they said the numbers were off. But yeah, every year, January 1st, every single grouper species closes.
We didn't realize that.
Yeah,
I mean, yeah,
it's always been like that. So
there's not even enough meat on it.
yeah. All right, what else? Got a mutton,
A mangrove, and
mangrove.
a lane.
Hey, look at the size of that lane. Nice lane. Yeah, it's a nice lane. All right, who caught the red?
That was me.
Okay, you got your driver's license on you, and is this your boat?
It is my boat.
Okay, let's squeeze by. It's a nice mutton. How big is that mutton?
18.
18. You see anyone else bottom fishing out where y'all were at?
No.
And then just your boat registration too.
Seen somebody kept trolling around us.
Yeah.
Nobody's trolling
I wonder if I'll
where
see
we were.
any wahoo today. Is that documented or registered?
It's documented.
Documented. Let's see. It's the
That's the
trailer,
trailer.
and then you got your documentation. Okay.
Vessel registration.
I'm gonna hand you the grouper, and you can just lay it down. I don't want to lay it on the gunnel because your boat looks clean, and I don't want to get it dirty.
Yeah. Where do you want it?
You can just put it down on the ground for a minute.
Okay.
And I'm gonna measure this on my check-it stick, okay? It looks like it's 16 and a half. And I
Oh,
want to give you the benefit of the doubt. I have a measuring tape in my pocket, but our check-it stick is the official one. All right?
We're pitching tails, right?
Or pinching tails. That's why I want to give you the benefit.
I check.
You know?
Yeah, you measured. Rough seas, you measured it.
I did.
Okay, I'm just going to get the check-it stick. It's over 17. 17 and a quarter. Make sure, I know when it gets rough, it's hard, but
Yeah.
before you put them in the box, lay them down and get a good measurement
You know
on them.
what? Next time it's not even worth
Yeah,
it. I did. I held them up on the. We have one on
Yeah.
transit, and of course it was rough seas. So it looked good to me, but.
All right, who's claiming the mutton?
That's me.
That's you? Okay. You got your ID on you?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, the grouper is one of the, a lot of our state laws and federal laws don't always mirror each other, right? The grouper is one that mirrors, so it's closed January 1st every year, and it reopens May 1st. All grouper, yep. Sometimes in November, the end of December, they'll do closures for specific species because the allotment is already met. And they take that into account from like the Gulf side where they're required to, the commercial guys are required to tell exactly what they harvest.
Right.
So if the harvest is met, they'll close it down recreationally and commercially. So this year it was met on gag, and that's why they closed it. I think it was like the first weekend in December.
They closed that early.
Yeah. Or just your driver's license if you got that.
Oh.
Yeah. Thank you. Alright, cool.
You don't check fishing license anymore? Or is it happening?
6341. Go ahead. I already checked on the computer. They check it for me. So unless our database is down, you can't hear her, but she's talking in my ear.
Through the driver's license.
Oh yeah.
10-4. Yeah. So when they run your boat, they'll tell me you're registered to the boat. So they told me you got a fishing license. So.
And then mine I'll do through the driver's license.
It's 6341. Can you 10-9? You cut out. 10-4. If you can open up a signal 62 grouper and then just put those priors in that call, please. If you guys want to, so we're not blocking, just pull out of the way of everyone. Have any of you guys got any warnings, anything from us before? Tickets, anything
Never.
like that? Never?
30 years now.
30 years? You never?
Mm-hmm.
Any like warnings for safety or anything like that?
No.
No? Okay.
No, I never recollect.
Alright, just give me a few minutes. Y'all can just hang out near your truck, alright? So
You still need my driver's license?
Yep, I'll get it back to you when I'm
Yeah,
done, alright? Yep. Alright. I gave you a warning for the mutton snapper. Okay. I know seas are rough, but you gotta make sure before you're home, done fishing, coming back in,
I'm gonna show you that.
triple check it, okay?
Yeah.
You know,
Sure.
I'm not gonna give you a hard time over an inch. Just that's
Thank
a
you.
one-time free pass, okay?
Appreciate it.
All right. You did get a citation for the red grouper out of season, okay? So what I did, every fish violation is a court appearance, okay? So I doubt you want to have a misdemeanor on your record. No. So tell the judge, explain, sorry, I did not know. Majority of the time they do what's called adjudication withheld, which they assess a small fee. And it doesn't show that you were charged with a misdemeanor on your record. So that's why I gave you the court appearance in lieu of just charging you with a fine.
Okay.
So
That's
all right.
appreciated. Thank you.
No problem. You guys have this. There's an app called Fish Rules. Have you ever heard of it?
No.
Okay, it's a free app. So and it's great because it updates all of our rules. It updates all the federal rules. So if you open it when you're going out the inlet, it'll like if you were to open it today, it would tell you, yeah, red grouper's closed. So it keeps a lot of people out of trouble.
Yeah,
all right.
yeah. I was just telling him I said I need to keep up on that.
Go ahead and sign here. Not admitting guilt. Just saying you will appear in court. Here's your driver's license and a copy of the ticket. It'll have all the court information and stuff
Okay,
on
well,
there.
thank you for the
All
break.
right.
And,
Yeah, you guys
Ken,
have
you
any
know,
questions?
No, this I don't do anything.
You can throw it in the trash if you want.
Okay.
Yep. He's got to do something though.
Yeah.
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 I
So.
got
Yeah,
you.
I honestly thought that it was gag group, so.
Yep.
Lesson
Now.
learned.
All right.
Yep.
Y'all have a great day. Okay.
thank
Thank you.
What are you doing with the fish?
Well, the one donation place we use, I can't get them to answer the phone, so they're going back in the water for the sharks. Something will eat them. The pelicans will eat it. There you go.
I do have a question.
Yeah.
My renewal for my libraries in May.
In the end, the angler was charged with being in possession of an out-of-season grouper. He later pled guilty to the charge and his adjudication was withheld. He was ordered to pay $323 in costs and fines. If you like this video and want to see more like it, subscribe to Arrest Cam. As always, thanks for watching.